Welcome back to our channel, where we provide valuable information for people living with diabetes. In today's video, we have something special for you. We'll be discussing the best herbal juice options for diabetic patients. If you're looking for a natural way to manage your blood sugar levels, you've come to the right place. So, let's get started. Picture this. You wake up every morning feeling energized, with stable blood sugar levels, and a refreshing herbal juice to kickstart your day. Sounds too good to be true? Well, today, we're going to reveal the secrets of the best herbal juices that can help you achieve just that. Before we dive into the specifics, it's important to note that while herbal juices can be beneficial for managing blood sugar levels, it's always crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet or incorporating new supplements. Step 1. Aloe Vera Juice. Our first contender in the battle against high blood sugar is aloe vera juice. Aloe vera has been used for centuries for its healing properties, and it's no different for diabetes. It contains compounds that may help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood glucose levels. Remember to choose pure aloe vera juice without added sugars for maximum benefits. Step 2. Bitter gourd juice. Now let's move on to a not-so-pleasant tasting but highly effective herbal juice, bitter gourd. Bitter gourd juice has shown promising results in managing blood sugar levels. It contains a compound called carnitine, which is believed to have hypoglycemic effects. You can either make the juice at home using fresh bitter gourd or find it in health stores. Step 3. Cinnamon-infused juice. Ah, the sweet aroma of cinnamon. Did you know that cinnamon can also help regulate blood sugar levels? Research suggests that cinnamon may improve insulin sensitivity and reduce insulin resistance. You can infuse cinnamon into your favorite herbal juice or even consume it as a tea. Step 4. Fenugreek seed juice. Moving on to our next contender, fenugreek seed juice. Fenugreek seeds are packed with soluble fiber, which can slow down the absorption of carbohydrates and reduce blood sugar spikes. Soaking a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds in water overnight and consuming the water in the morning can be an excellent addition to your diabetes management routine. Step 5. Green juice with bitter melon. Last but not least, we have a powerful combination. Green juice with bitter melon. Bitter melon, similar to bitter gourd, is known for its hypoglycemic properties. When combined with other green vegetables like spinach, kale, and cucumber, it creates a nutritious and blood sugar-friendly juice option. And there you have it, our top herbal juice recommendations for diabetic patients. Remember, incorporating these juices into your routine should be done in consultation with your healthcare provider, and they should complement a balanced diet and regular exercise. We hope this video has been informative and that you've gained some valuable insights into the world of herbal juices for diabetes management. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more diabetes-related content. As always, take care of your health, stay positive, and remember that you have the power to live a fulfilling life with diabetes. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.